Capture was originally designed to service agribusinesses, farm cooperatives, and other farm organizations that have farmers under their portfolio, so that at a glance they can be able to see important data about all the farms and all the farmers under them. Over time, we now decided to make this available for farmers to be able to get all the benefits that these corporates have been receiving on a service basis. So here I'm going to launch the Capture app and walk you through the experience that a user gets and how it works. So Capture was designed to be super intuitive, making it possible for the farmer to get all the information they need to make a decision in near real time with very minimal effort. It allows you to be able to see as an organization all the breakdown of all the crops that are under management, and you could click on this button to see all of them, how many farms are growing what. So in real time you can be able to manage supply chain and make recommendations in terms of market and other linkages. It also allows you to be able to search for any farmer easily, without much trouble. And when you can search by a farmer's name, you can search by a crop, you can search by name of the village, location, etc. And when you find the farm that you're looking for, you can be able to come back to the screen and run other evaluations like the crop health, which takes just a few seconds to complete. While that is running, I could scroll down a bit so you can see other important information like the acidity of the soil, like the pH level, the soil composition, how many percent is clay, sand, silt, and of course, very vital, the information, an information summary of all this data on the display. You could go all the way down, see a bunch of insights, and you can also run fertility tests on the farm, with the option for also generating nutrient required for an expected yield. All this information at a glance. There is also a module for weather and nodes, etc. So here you see the outcome of this analysis shows that the farmland is not viable, and the risk is very high, even with a very high investment in capital. Just below here you can also see the nutrient requirement for all the different zones of the farm, and also the size, the specific area in terms of size where this application should be done. Of course, this is where drones become really powerful. If I click on this icon here, it will be able to take me to the screen so I can see what that looks like. So on a glance I can tell that a large swath of this, nearly half hectare land, is not very productive. You will know by color representation, the yellows and the light greens, those are areas they exist in very high amount. Let me go back all the way down to the fertility map. Here you can see that a combined 0.3 out of 0.34 out of 0.4 are of the low and medium productivity band. So this is one hell of a fight in terms of resources that does not guarantee substantial ROI for the farm. Now this is a pre-planting decision that has to be made by the farmer, and with this solution it is possible for them to be able to get all that insight. Now every insight we see here for farmers without a smartphone is sent to them as text messages and also in if they prefer, in their local language. um, and yeah, so basically really intuitive. You could see all the farms. You could check out the menus where you can have weather product, nodes, marketplace. In the future we plan to introduce cash wallet systems, etc, business reports, etc. So this is basically how capture works. And of course there are feedback mechanism where the farmer applies any of the advice, they're able to give us a feedback so that we can in near real time know how the application of this advice is helping the farmer to improve the outcome.